Okay, I want to just show you how you can select an item if you've dragged it off of the screen and then you can't get it again. So first of all, I'm going to show you probably what you're running into. I have this ellipse, I drag it off the screen, and I know that I have my ellipse layer selected, but if I try to drag it back, no matter what I do, it's not letting me drag it back. So the problem is that way up here in the upper left, there's this thing called auto select, and I find this to be really irritating. So that makes you click on the actual thing you're selecting. So they think they're doing you a favor by, oh, I can just click on it and select it instead of working with layers. But if you uncheck it, that means whatever layer you have selected is what you're going to move, no matter where you click. So if I've got my move tool, I could just click here and drag it over. Notice I'm not even touching the circle, but I've got my layer selected. So that, I think, will help you grab that item that's off the screen.